Thessaloniki in Greece. That was Michael Lener with a track called Boombox. And if you'd like to hear more from Michael Lener, then just head over to SoundCloud. Like I say, the best way to keep in touch with me is via Twitter with @DJAwesomeWells if you want to stay up to date with when the shows are, because it automatically updates on Twitter whenever I go live. So if you're following me on Twitter, that's a really good way. But you can also follow me on Spreaker as well. I have 138 followers at the moment, which is awesome. I remember when the show first started and I only had 5 or 6, so it's really nice to see such a big number up there. And I'm actually quite close to 20,000 overall plays as well. My aim is to get it to 20,000 overall plays by the end of this month, which I think, considering the specials I've got coming up, is very doable. That's exciting. So the next track that I've got for you is from Jamie Berry, and it's called Marvellous. Stuff there from Jamie Berry. That track is called Marvellous. You can find more stuff from Jamie Berry on SoundCloud, and he is from Leeds in the United Kingdom. He's done loads of remixes for a lot of high profile artists as well, which are all thoroughly worth checking out. So I only have time for one more song before the end of the show, but this is a very, very special song. This is a cover by an artist called Skylar Stecker. The original track is by Nico and Vince, and it charted late last year. The track is called Am I Wrong? And this track also features Casey Abrams, who I was lucky enough to see performing with the Postmodern Jukebox on Sunday with my girlfriend Faith. It's a little Valentine's Day treat we went on. And I actually got to meet Postmodern Jukebox and shake Casey's hand as well, which was lovely. But yeah, this is a fantastic cover, and I hope you enjoy it.
Thinking out about somewhere I stay. No, am I wrong for saying that I choose another way? Not trying to do what everybody else doing, just 'cause everybody's doing what they all do. It's one thing I know, I'll fall but I'll grow. I'm walking down in this road of mine, this road that I call home. So am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? Now am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? But that's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Top of the world, walking, don't look back. Always do what you decide. Don't let them control your life.
That's just how I feel.
Back yours, don't let go. Don't let them compare you. No, don't worry, you're not alone.
That's just how I feel.
Now am I wrong?
Am I wrong
for thinking that we could be something for real? Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh. No, am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? Oh, that's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see. If you tell me I'm wrong, something for real.
So that was Skylar Stecker and Casey Abrams with their cover of Am I Wrong, which originally is by Nico and Vince. Make sure you go and check out some more stuff from both Skylar Stecker and Casey Abrams, especially Casey Abrams' work with the Postmodern Jukebox. So that brings us to the end of tonight's show. I hope you guys have enjoyed it as much as I've enjoyed it. It's been a lot of fun today. I've really enjoyed a lot of the music that I've played on the show today. I think it's been a particularly good one. So that brings us to the end. Thank you ever so much for listening. And as regular listeners know by now, I love you all.
You've been listening to a broadcast from Pushing Underground Radio. Thank you for supporting the show.